This is it right here. Sir, all that. Some boys acting nasty. That Lotus thing. This Lotus kind of hard. I like this one. Vet. So I like what they did with the brakes right there. This shit clean right here. This shit is clean. That thing clean. Favorite, the AMG CLA 35. Shit is tough. Shit look good. You know, he blacked out. Shout out to who? Got AMG Roy on there. YouTube. Like them splitters on there. Got the Audi gang right here. So we got the S4 next to the S5. They kind of look the same, right? Shit clean. Huh? Yeah.
Yo, what's your IG, bro?
Black Dynamite.
Bro, I got the AMG right there, bro.
That's you right there? Yeah. That shit clean. You on, what's this, IG?
Yeah.
I'm on YouTube with it.
Alright, bet.
So we got the Infinity. Let's see, who shit is this? Q50 ENT. This thing clean though. Carbon fiber, super clean. Yep. 2. Right. R1 on deck.
I work Monday through Friday, and then I leave for Arkansas at 6 p.m. Friday night. I said I'm gonna go. It's her daughter's birthday.
Chevy though. With the Chevy?
I'll definitely stop in.
Carbon fiber. Man, you gotta look at this one. No, they got carbon fiber everywhere. They wildin' on the handles. Look what they did with this right here. Tough. Not bad. Not bad. What is this? Somebody leave me a comment, man. What is this? Shout out to Exclusive. Okay, the vet game. Stay winner.
Ese es motor.
It's got enough power right now that if I'm racing anybody.
Este es un turbo, ¿viste? Ese es turbo.
Yeah. I mean, it's got a lot more horsepower.
And it'll be like mine will take off, and then once he hits that 1 gear,
It's a lot lighter too.
Nobody should be in the hot.
It's like if you got a fast car, you can come out.
Everybody can they can say what they want to. Everybody can be beat. Eating, whoever his name is, I don't give a shit. Eating. I do one more tune, I'm with his ass. Shit, I don't care. Y'all talking about y'all on another nigga stuff, man. Come on, man. Y'all, anybody can be beat. Put that money up, we'll see. Put that money up, put 10 G's up. I guarantee people come out the woodwork. So he right now, he the champ or whatever you think he is. Put 10 G's up, watch people come from all over.
No way you do that.
I'm just trying to do it, man. I mean, you would get a car. The 10 G's, you a racer. You know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. I might get one. 2 million, you're jumping the ring with Tyson. I'm going down first punch, but I'm going to get it.
Shout out to the Throttle Kings in the building. 2.0. Major. The 392 Scatty. Major. Major. These shit's clean. These shit's clean, y'all.
They dirty. They dirty.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where you on? What platform you on?
Oh, this only going on the tube.
On the tube?
YouTube, yeah.
Before you leave, let me get your link. I'll put you out there.
I got you. Black Dynamite.
A little different. You heard me?
Huh?
Battle King's a little different. Ain't none of these under 1,000. And you just look at them like they normal, right?
Nah, I hear him though. I see when he press on the gas.
2 supercharged and 1 pro charge.
Which one is which?
This one's supercharged, pro charge, supercharged. All of them filled. Just got this one back.
Hey, how we doing, man?
Funny the other day going down 490.
Oh, yeah?
I was in the van. Watch out. What?
Cars are leaving.
Where to play that? Hey, don't sleep on this one. This shit might leave you at the light.
Arkansas.